success is not come for a short term. It will take time. There is only one way to get a success. Never give up. If you fail, then don't give up. Then try again. If you continue this process, you will able to get success.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another TFT interview. Today I'm joined by Abu, who comes from Pakistan and has 10 years of trading experience. Welcome Abu. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what got you into trading?
My name is Abu Nawaz. I belong from Pakistan. I live in Shujabad. I am doing trading since 2013.
Mm-hmm. And how did you find about trading?
My friend told me about a voluntary program. Then I came in TFT.
Okay, and can you tell us a little bit about the learning curve? Like, did you learn everything by yourself or you had mentors? How did you learn how to trade?
I started trading from Bhaulpur. My friend are doing trading, and then I will get a little bit training from him. Mm-hmm. Then I do practice and I go YouTube, and YouTube is the biggest source of learning.
Yeah.
And here I found some good trader and I learned it.
Okay, so you didn't have any mentor. You learned everything by yourself by watching YouTube and a little bit help from your friend.
Yes.
Okay, and how did you find TFT and how is your experience with us?
First, I do trading, and there are a lot of trader are my friend. One friend told me about TFT. First, I will not trust on voluntary program. I think that they cannot pay. But when my friend told me and show me payout proof, then I show interest. Then I feel that it is the biggest opportunity for any trader. Because the capital is the biggest thing in forex trading. And in TFT or voluntary program, we pay a little bit fee and after showing skill and passing challenges, and we can get good trading, good equity. So I think it is the very best thing. I am very happy with the TFT support. I am very impressed support team of TFT. As soon as when I feel any help, I receive reply within 10 minutes.
That's amazing. I'm happy to hear that you have just great experience. And can you tell me what was the hardest part for you in the whole trading journey? What did you struggle with the most?
Trading is very tough, and trading means a lot of practice. I have told you, since 2013. At this time, I have no capital, so I start in demo. And I do practice. Then I invest some money. Some money mean $10, $20, $30, and I have lost because due to low capital. But I never give up.
That's good.
I try again and do practice. 8 year I do practice, and in 8 year I was in loss due to low equity. But in 9 year I was coming break-even point. No profit, no loss. And when I enter in 2022, I will recover all loss which I face in previous 8 years. So then I enter in TFT program, and then my friend introduced me TFT, and I will enter in TFT.
That's great. So you managed to recover all the losses from 8 years in just 1 year. That's incredible.
Yes.
And what made you motivated to keep learning and not give up after so long time of studying and practicing?
In the last 8 years, I have think many times to give up forex because there is very negativity about forex trading, that no one can earn profit in forex trading. And in Google, according to Google, 95% people face loss in forex trading. In past 8 years, I have so many time and disappointed, and I have given up trading for few times. But when I think that if I do any work, then hard working is must. So it is my so I will come back again. Then in Pakistan, there are many motivators. I love reading. When I read about my hobby is to learn about high profile people. When I read about high profile people, I have found one thing that the success is not come for a short term. It will take time. There is only one way to get a success. Never give up. If you fail, then don't give up. Then try again. If you fail, then don't give up. Then try again. And if you continue this process, and you will able to get success. Now I have got success by doing practice and 9 years.
Yeah, that's amazing. And how long time did it take you to find your strategy?
My strategy is very simple because I believe a simple strategy. In forex trading, there is only one thing by which we can get success, and it is money management. And if you use any indicator, it will give a 50% result. That is there is no holy grail system. There is only holy grail system if have then money management. Then I was follow first of all trend. Then I see movie average simple and 10 and RSI. And after this, I use a candlestick study.
Can you share your screen and show us how you analyze the chart and maybe an example of a trade?
Yes. My strategy is very simple. I use RSI, and you can see that RSI is here, our sword. It is
overbought.
73. Yes, mean overbought. It is overbought. I am not. I don't like day trading. According to my experience, no one can earn money in day trading. I like swing trading. I do trade for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, 1 week. And you can see that I here enter a trade here, and I will wait and I will stop here. I will use RSI, and sometimes I use a candlestick. In here you can see it is bear engulfing. This pattern is showing a bear engulfing. In this way we found two signs, and here you can see and sometimes I use moving average. That is simple. In this same way too, you can see when any candle above moving average, I will start enter. I will start buy here, and I will close when they close candle below moving average.
Okay, and is it the 14 simple moving average, correct?
Yes. I use simple. My system is very simple. I have told you that there's indicator use only for self-satisfaction, and any indicator you use, they will give you only 50% output. The main thing is money management, and by money management we can earn a good profit in forex trading.
Yeah, and do you do top-down analysis? Like which time frame do you start to analyze with? Do you go on the daily time frame, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, or you just stick to one time frame?
First of all, I will check a monthly time frame. In the same way, you can see that Euro USD. I like Euro USD most. Then I use GBUSD. In moving in on monthly time frame, first of all, I check that you can see that RSI is our sold. I believe that it will go at 70, and when go, I don't know time, but I hope it will touch to 70.
The 70 level.
First of all, I check a monthly, then I will do trade according to I use RSI according to trend. If I found that RSI is our bot and this trend is bear, then I will never enter. But when I see that market is bearish, then I will intertrade. I will use RSI according to trend. So first of all, I see monthly time frame. Then I will come in H1 and H4, and mostly I use H1. Then I use trade according to trend. I do open a many trade. Sometimes some trade I do I close within few hours, and some I close within a week. Me when I see my target, when target came, then I will close.
Okay, so you use 1 hour chart to execute trades, correct?
Yes. Sometimes it depends on target. It depends on RSI. When RSI came, our sold, then I will close. If I open trade, if I buy according to RSI, if RSI our sold, I open buy trade, and when I see that market is overbought, then I will close it.
So you use the RSI to decide when to when to close the trade. And how about entering? Like, where can you show us an example? Where would you enter? Where would you put your stop loss? And how you manage the trade?
Yes, I am showing you. You can see here, I sell 0.09 in 1.110 to 70, and my stop loss is 1,000.100 pip, and my TP was 1.1001.
Yeah.
In the same way, you can see that GPUSD. See, I open trade 1.25. 135, and my stop loss is 1000 point 1.26 and 135, and my take profit is 3000 point, mean 300 pip. So I take 1/3 and risk and reward ratio.
Okay, is there anything else that you would like to show us on the screen with screen sharing?
Yes.
If it is possible with the candles, it's going to be easier to see how where you enter, like just to show us an example on the screen.
Here you can see that market is
overbought. Yeah.
Overbought. Then I open trade here. And I open trade here, and I close trade here because it show our sold.
Yeah.
I will take 150 pip almost.
Yeah, I can see. It was a good one. So just to summarize, you go from the monthly down to the 1 hour, and you use the 1 hour chart to execute and monitor the trades, and you use mainly the RSI to know when to enter and when to exit the trade.
Yes.
Okay, so you said you are a swing trader. Do you have specific instruments that you trade? We saw that you are trading GBP USD, and I saw as well Euro USD. Do you trade other instruments, or you're only focusing on those ones?
I do 70% trade on Euro USD. My most favorite pair and Euro USD. I do 70% trade, and in 20% I do trade on GBP USD, and 5% I do trade on USD, Japanese, and remaining sometimes I use gold, and sometimes I use AUD, USD, and USD CAD. But I mostly like Euro USD. My main focus is on Euro USD.
Euro USD. And how is your psychology towards trading? And what did you do to improve your psychology?
There is only one way by which you can improve your psychology. You follow a system. Before opening a trade, think 100 times. When your all indicator, when your all sign according to your system match, then you enter. And you must close according to system. You can control psychology only at this time when you have strong money management. Then you can easily control your mind. But if you open a big lot, then it is impossible. Whether you whatever you have a very good system, which any indicator you use, if you did not follow a money management, if you open a big lot, then you never ever control your psychology. There is very so simple to control our psychology only by controlling your lot size.
What was the eye-opening moment for you? Like, how long time did it take you to become profitable? And what was the moment when you understood what were the key points to be successful in trading?
A chart is a very important thing in forex trading, and practice. You cannot become a successful trader by reading books, by theory. The main thing is practical.
Yeah.
If you want to learn swimming, then you cannot learn a swimming or expert by reading books. For swimming, you must go to the sea and practice. In the same way, for getting a successful trader, use any one indicator or two, whatever you like, and do practice and try to control a lot size.
Yeah. What are your future plans and goals with trading and in general in life?
My future, I love trading so much because I have told you I'm doing trading since 2013. So I will continue trading in future.
That's amazing. And what are your goals with the account? Do you aim to get the maximum allocation?
Yes, maximum allocation, because now I have buy a 250K account and I have passed both. I have passed and I have submitted a withdrawal and on Friday. Now I will receive an other withdrawal in 18. Then I will merge it.
Wow, that's amazing. Congratulations.
Nowadays, thank you.
Do you have any last words that you would like to share with us?
Yes, only money management is a key. Only money management is a main and important thing in forex trading for to getting a success in forex trading. Always follow a money management. Always try to control your lot size, because in this market, if you lose capital, then you cannot recover. You can recover. You can recover everything. Chances will come again and again. Market will give you chance again and again. But if you lose capital one time, then it will never be recovered. So always take care about your capital. Always try to control lot size.
Yeah. And how did you deal with trading losses? I forgot to ask you that. When you have a losing streak.
Yes, loss is a crucial part and main part of forex trading, and any trader do a loss. Sometimes I emotional because I am a human being. I try to control my greed, but you know that 100% it is impossible.
Yeah.
When I do mistake, then I will do greed, then I will get lost.
So how do you manage so that you can keep yourself so that you can stick to your plan and become like less emotional? Do you have any strict rules that you're following?
Yes, I follow my system. Then I try to control my greed.
Do you have a rule like if I lose more than 2 trades this week, I stop trading for the week?
Yes, I said 1% a daily. I will take a 1% daily loss. I decided to myself, if I will get a 1% loss, then I will never do trade at this day. Then I will wait, and then I will wait for next day.
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for being here and sharing your experience with us. I wish you best of luck with your next challenges in trading, and hope to have a follow-up interview in the near future when you reach the maximum allocation.
Thank you, TFT. By TFT, my dream has come true, because, and you know that the main and most important thing in forex trading is capital. And I never think in my life that I will earn a huge profit in forex trading due to low capital. But now TFT has provided me a capital by passing a challenge. Then I will very thankful to TFT CEO.
I'm so happy to hear that you have that your dream is coming true.
Yes.
And yeah, that's the beautiful part of prop firms, that even if you don't have a capital, you can work on your skill, and when you're good, this skill should be rewarded.
Yes, yes.
To all of you watching, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and show us some love in the comments down below. Trade safe, and until next time.